Welcome to Khetz Tutorials, and in this video I'll be doing question 77 from D exercises in James Stewart calculus. So you're asked to graph this or to sketch it. I'm just going to do a rough sketch and show a few points. You're going to fill the rest of it in. So we have to start from what we were given in the textbook, and that would have been cosine of x. So before this transformation which happened here, so this is a shift to the right by pi over 3. That's what this is. So first, before we sketch that, we're going to focus on cosine without any transformation. So cosine would look like this without any transformations. I'm just going to draw a portion of it so that it would look like this. Alright, so this is your cosine. So it would be at 1 at 0, then at pi over 2, that's when you expect it to be 0, then at pi you expect it to be minus 1, then at 3 pi over 2 you expect it to be 0 again, and finally at 2 pi expect it to be 1 again. So these are some of the major points that you have, and you can fill the same in on the left hand side in the negative direction. So now we are supposed to shift this to the right by pi over 3. So this question 77 is a right shift of this blue function by pi over 3. So all that you have to do is to add pi over 3 to each of these angles and then shift your graph. For example, this is at 0 radian where we have 1. So you're going to shift this point to somewhere there at pi over 3 and have the exact same point. And every other point will be shifted accordingly. So that's how this is going to work. You're just going to shift every single point by, well, the amplitude shouldn't change. You're just going to shift your function by pi over 3. So I didn't do a great job at sketching this, but the point is every single point, this is 0, 1, this is pi over 2, 0, and so on. Each of these points would now have shifted, so it now crosses at pi over 2 plus pi over 3. And it now turns at pi plus pi over 3, and instead of 3 pi over 2 over there, it would be 3 pi over 2 plus pi over 3. And this last portion as well, there would be at 2 pi plus pi over 3. So all the major points which you had in cosine would be shifted to the right by pi over 3.